Do you collect English words like they are rare gold coins? You probably have thousands of them stored in your brain. But when you open your mouth, do you feel like a broken robot? It is a very common frustration for many learners. You know the word for apple, car, and happiness, but you cannot glue them together into a real conversation. It's like having a fridge full of food but staying hungry. You have the ingredients, but you do not know the recipe. You are not bad at languages, I promise. He just treats English like a difficult math problem. He tried to calculate grammar while people are waiting. By the time you find the answer, the person has already left. This makes you feel stressed and very shy. Let's change your strategy today. Stop thinking like a student and start thinking like a chef. A chef does not worry about the history of salt. They just use it to make the food taste better. Your first step is to find your base. Every sentence needs a simple heart. I call this the action block. Because these are short, but they are very strong. Do not try to be fancy or sound like a poet yet. If you can say, I want coffee, you have won the game. Many people fail because they try to be perfect. They want to say, I desire a caffeinated beverage immediately. That is too much work for your poor brain. Just say, I want coffee. It works perfectly. Now let's add some flavor to your base. Think of these as extra toppings on a pizza. Where, when, why, with whom? I want coffee at the cafe with my friends. See how easy that was? You just added 3 small pieces to your base. You do not need a giant grammar book for this. You just follow the logic of your life. The second secret is using copy-paste phrases. Fluent speakers do not create new sentences every second. They use blocks of language they have used before. To be honest, by the way I was wondering, these are like pre-made meals in your freezer. You do not cook them, you just heat them up and use them. If you memorize 10 of these, you will sound much faster. Stop being a grammar zombie. A grammar zombie worries about every tiny rule. Is it in or at? Is it the or? A? While you worry, your conversation dies a slow death. While you worry, your conversation dies a slow death. Native speakers make mistakes every single day. They care about the message, not the perfect spelling. If I say I go store yesterday, you understand me? Communication is the goal, not a gold medal in grammar. Try this fun exercise for 3 minutes tonight. Go to your bathroom. Go to your bathroom and look in the mirror. Talk to yourself about your day like a crazy person. I am brushing my teeth. The water is cold. I am tired because work was long. There is no one there to judge your mistakes. Your mirror will not laugh at your accent. This builds the bridge between your brain and your mouth. Fluency is a muscle that needs a daily workout. You do not get strong by watching people lift weights. You get strong by lifting them yourself. Do not wait for a perfect moment to speak. The perfect moment is right now, even if it is messy. Stop translating from your own language in your head. That is like trying to run with a heavy backpack. Drop the bag and just use the simple words, you know? English is not a test. You need to pass. It is a tool you use. It is a tool you use to share your soul with the world. Be brave, be simple, and be a little bit funny. Build your sentences like small toy houses. 1 brick today, 2 bricks. Tomorrow, soon you will have a beautiful mansion of words. Keep it simple, keep it fast, and keep talking. You are doing much better than you think. I will see you in the next conversation.